on fire? Mine on fire yet? No. Oh, yours is on fire again. Yours is on fire again. Don't spit on it. Although I suppose it's one way to put the fire out.
Yeah. I think I should eat this because I don't really like... Ew, I'm touching it.
Oh, mine's on fire too. Ah!
One big blow.
And it's been saved. Ooh, it's a little charcoal-y though.
Fight!
That's okay, it still tastes good. Now let's eat.
Eat like George of the Jungle, strong as he can be.
Is that tasty?
Yeah.
You have marshmallow on your lip.